Now let us talk about the exam pattern for RULET exam. The exam will be in offline mode. The test will be of 200 marks and the exam will have 200 MCQ type questions. The total duration for the exam will be 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. There are 5 sections in this exam. These are general knowledge, language ability, legal reasoning, general sciences and social studies. There is no negative marking. Now let's bring our focus to some tips and tricks that will help you in preparation of this exam. As there is no negative marking, try to attempt all the questions. Read newspaper so that you are able to score good marks in paper. Also, don't forget to give mock test or practice paper to know your strengths and weaknesses. For that, you can check the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work designed specifically for this purpose. Check the description for the link of the app. Revise your concepts thoroughly so that you don't forget anything. If you find the content of this video relevant, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, check the description for full syllabus.